Welcome back to the Daily Drives, your home for everything fast, iconic, and full of attitude. If you're passionate about horsepower, design, and automotive legends reborn for the modern era, you're in the right place. Make sure you're subscribed, so you don't miss a single moment from the garage of dreams. Today, we're taking a ride through time, straight into the future, with the 2026 Ford Mustang Eleanor 427. A legendary name, now resurrected with power, precision, and a whole lot of style. This isn't just a tribute, it's a revolution. For those who know the Eleanor name, it instantly evokes memories of the 1967 Shelby GT500 that tore across screens in Gone in 60 Seconds. But now, in 2026, Ford and its performance partners have brought Eleanor back, not as a copy but as an evolved masterpiece that respects its heritage while embracing tomorrow. Under the hood sits a beast, an all-new, naturally aspirated 7.0-liter V8 engine, proudly dubbed the 427. Producing a staggering 650 horsepower and over 600 lb-ft of torque, this isn't just about numbers, it's about feel. The sound alone is enough to raise goosebumps, a deep, thunderous growl that transforms into a scream as the tach climbs. No turbo lag, no artificial sounds, just pure American muscle, delivered through a 6-speed manual transmission for the true purist experience. The 2026 Eleanor isn't just about brute force, it's also about precision. Built on Ford's latest performance chassis, it features adaptive suspension, carbon ceramic brakes, and a rear-wheel drive setup finely tuned for the track and the streets. You get aggressive traction when you want it and controlled slides. When you don't, every corner becomes a playground, every straightaway a launch pad. The exterior, it's a head-turner. Ford has masterfully blended the iconic lines of the original Eleanor with the bold futurism of the latest Mustang design. The long hood, fastback roofline, and wide haunches remain, but they're complemented by LED blade headlights, carbon, fiber body panels, and an active aero package that adjusts based on speed. The grille is sharp and sinister, while those side exhausts throw flames and fury like the Eleanor of old. And just wait until let's talk interior step inside. The interior of the 2026 Eleanor 427 is a luxurious mix of retro charm and digital sophistication. Leather-wrapped Recaro racing seats with diamond-stitched inserts offer support and style. The dashboard features dual 12-inch displays, one for the digital instrument cluster and the other for infotainment, both fully customizable. Brushed aluminum accents, a cue ball shifter, and a flat-bottom steering wheel add to the car's race-ready feel. And yes, it still has a proper handbrake, because a car like this should never lose its analog soul. Ford didn't forget the little things either. Ambient lighting is subtly integrated throughout the cabin, shifting color based on drive mode. A premium Bang & Olufsen audio system ensures your favorite driving playlists sound as epic as the engine note. But let's be honest, you won't use it much. The music from the 427 V8 is more than enough. Safety and tech also get the 2026 treatment. Ford Co-Pilot 360 comes standard, with advanced driver assist features including adaptive cruise, blind spot alerts, and a 360-degree camera system. It's smart when you want it to be, but it never gets in the way of a raw, authentic drive. Production of the 2026 Mustang Eleanor 427 will be limited, making each one a collector's gem. Each car comes with a numbered plaque, custom Eleanor graphics, and an exclusive key fob finished in billet aluminum. Customization options are extensive, from paint colors inspired by classic muscle car palettes to interior trim and stitching, allowing owners to create a version of Eleanor that truly reflects their personality. And while many manufacturers are chasing electric powertrains and autonomous driving, the 2026 Eleanor 427 boldly goes in the opposite direction. It reminds us what made us fall in love with cars in the first place. The rumble, the roar, the road beneath the wheels, and the thrill of being fully in control. This is more than just a car. It's a statement, a tribute, a love letter to muscle cars, crafted with modern performance and wrapped in a silhouette that screams rebellion. So whether you're an Eleanor fanatic, a Mustang enthusiast, or someone who just loves fast cars, with a soul, the 2026 Ford Mustang Eleanor 427 is everything you've been waiting for, and more. It's raw, refined, and ready to run. Thanks for riding with us today. If you enjoyed this breakdown of the new Eleanor, hit that like button and drop your thoughts in the comments. What's your favorite Eleanor moment in movie or car history? Would you drive this beast daily or save it for special Sunday blasts? Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss another deep dive into the world's most exciting rides. Until next time, stay fast, stay loud, and keep chasing the drive.